What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Instagram tutorial. My name is Wommack, and today we're once again gonna do this I edit your picture theme. So you sent me a lot of photos, and today I chose this one right here of GBCG. Thank you so much for sending this in. I thought it was a cool picture, and also I got a lot of requests on this look right here, this kind of switched or inverted color, maybe even almost that temperature or heat camera look that we know from Travis Scott and many more people doing it on Instagram right now. So I thought this was the perfect base to create this kind of inverted look. It's a really hard and extreme edit, and I just thought it would fit nicely to this picture. So GBCG, I hope you're happy with this decision, and the rest of you guys, I hope you're excited to learn how to recreate this look with your smartphone and the free Lightroom app only. Now, this right here is what you sent me, and this is what we are going to create. And also, I got a little more creative even, and we can also create this look right here where we kind of just take parts of it and do that effect to it, and I think it really creates a super interesting look. So once again, I've also created a preset on exactly this look on my website for you guys. The link is under this video, and it's in the all presets pack with over 100 presets that you could just easily paste to every one of your pictures. And the cool thing about the all presets pack is that it's updated on a weekly, now even daily basis. So every time I create new presets, they're automatically in the pack. So you just have to buy it once and you will have a growing preset pack. I think it's a great deal. It's unique. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notifications bell to not miss out on any of my future videos, because if you want me to edit your photos, this next tutorial may be about you. And of course, you can also DM me on Instagram for any other kind of questions that you have, or just new ideas for new videos, things like that. So feel free to do that. I've said enough now. Let's dive into this tutorial. The first thing we want to do, of course, is open the picture in the free Lightroom app. So we open the app and we have the picture loaded right here. And now basically we just go to light and curve on the upper right side, go to RGB, that red, green, blue circle on the left right here. And now we just want to tweak these curves. So in this case, it's inverted. So first of all, we want to pull the shadows on the left side all the way to the top, the highlights on the right side all the way to the bottom, and it's already inverted right here. Now we just want to tweak this a little bit, pull it down, make it a little bit of an S-curve, and you can really start playing around with this, getting creative with this look. And now we can go even deeper into the colors. So we go to the red circle down here, and now we can just completely change up all these colors here. So I thought this, pulling this down kind of in the middle, creates that cool blue-red contrasty look, kind of like this maybe. Then we hit the green circle down here. Now again, we maybe just want to not do too much on this, maybe just pull this down a little to around here, because I really like that, the way that red and blue contrast each other. Then we go to blue here, pull up the shadows a little bit as well, pull down the mid-tones, mid-range right there. Something like this looks absolutely cool to me. So as I said, you can just play around with this curve right here and just go to wherever you want to take it, and then we're done here. And now just the last things I want to do is go to effects right here, and now just add a little bit of clarity, boost that up to +28 just to give it a harsher look. And then we want to dehaze again, boost that up to +46 right here just to kind of bring back up those shadows. I thought it was a cool look. And of course, I want to add grain to make it look a little more grungy and a little more just vintage. So we boost that up maybe all the way to 60 right here, and that's it. And now I'm super happy with this look already. Once again, you can really just play around, get creative with those curves, and you can create so many interesting inverted looks, inverted colors. Play around with that, get creative. But if you want this look right here, as I said, I've created a preset on exactly this look on my website. Link is under this video in the all presets pack if you want it to be quick. There are over 100 presets in the pack, so you really have a big selection to choose from. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. And now we want to take this edit that we just did even a step further. So we want to use the free Over app, also linked under this video, and open the picture there and just kind of play around with what parts you want to apply the effect to, and then just leave other parts of the image plain, and it will look super cool. I will show you how to do that right now. So again, we go back in our smartphone, and now we choose that over app right here and hit plus down here, hit image on the upper left side, and now just choose this image right here that we have just edited, and then hit the check mark on the upper right side so it's uploaded here. Now we hit image again on the bottom left, and now we want to choose the original image, lay that on top, and now kind of make sure that the edges just fit perfectly so it's exactly on top of that image that we have just edited. You really have to toggle this a while until you get it as close as possible. Right here is perfect. And now down here where it says filters, we can scroll to the right, and then we find mask right there. Now you want to choose the second mask if you want the edges to blur out a little, to feather, to make it look softer. And now you can just scroll over parts of the face that you might want to create this effect to. You can also go on the return arrow on the upper left side right here, just to return something. And then you can also zoom in to get it even more detailed, get closer on that look. And now you can really just play around. Actually, I like it if it's big parts of the image, and then maybe now on the left side contrasting to that, I just want to erase the top background layer, create this look maybe also here in the background, just to make it look super crazy. Once again, you can absolutely go wild with this look right here. Do whatever you want to it, maybe kind of get the shirt purple and leave the neck out. Now if you did a mistake, you can always zoom in, press that circle on the right side here, and just draw back what you accidentally covered. Now choose this again and just get those areas that you want right here, make it really good, really clean. And now I really like this look. I think it's a exciting look, and we're done here. And now this is it, guys. This is the final edit right here. I absolutely love what we did to this picture. I hope you, I always have to check for your name, GBCG, that's the name on Instagram, so I'm just gonna call you like that. I hope you like this video as well, the edit that we did to your picture. Let me know, give me some feedback. Also, the rest of you guys, how do you like this look? Play around with it, have fun with it, and if you want, you can also get the preset as I mentioned before. Link is under this video in the all presets pack with over 100 presets to easily paste to every one of your pictures to give them different looks, different styles. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to this channel, hit the notifications bell. This community is growing, over 100,000 subscribers now, so thank you so much to you guys for showing love, for supporting this channel. Absolutely means a lot to me. And of course, if there's anything you need, feel free to DM me on Instagram, @StevenWommack is my handle. And of course, if you want me to edit one of your pictures next, just send them to me on Instagram. I will be editing your pictures until the 24th of December, until Christmas Eve. So yeah, hurry up, send me your pictures. I'm really excited to receive them. And so far, thanks to everyone who sent his picture already. I really love what you guys are creating out there. Stay creative, stay healthy. I hope I'll see you in the next tutorial tomorrow. Till then, peace.